what's next for the price of Bitcoin, because it absolutely is killing it right now. It is at $66,000, exactly at my target that I was mentioning throughout my previous videos. So do watch them if you want to see the proof. And the price of Bitcoin has perfectly pumped towards the upside exactly to my target level. So first of all, as you all know, right here it made a support from here, and I told you all that there are very high chances that the price of Bitcoin will again pump towards the upside near this range. Important. Why? Because first of all, the price of Bitcoin was in a sideways channel like this, so there are chances that it will continue in a sideways channel, and once it makes a good support from here, once the buyers again enter the market, we can see the price of Bitcoin reaching $68,000 or inside this purple zone. And you can clearly see the price of Bitcoin is right now inside this zone, and I'm saying it again that the price of Bitcoin will pump more and it will reach $68,000. And not only this, but look closely at this white resistance zone right here. This is also a very important zone. I would say the price of Bitcoin is kind of sideways in this zone only. Like for me, this purple zone is a very important zone, but recently the price of Bitcoin has made a new resistance, which is this white zone right here, from $73,000 to $71,400. So according to me, the price of Bitcoin can easily reach $69,000, and after that it will enter this white resistance zone once again at $72,000, because eventually it has to complete its targets towards the upside. But the most important question here is what next for the price of Bitcoin, because we already saw a huge pump. And is it the right time to enter long or short? Well, according to me, it is not, because the price is still inside this resistance zone, and I'm not sure that these sellers are going to be entering in the market and the price will dump, or will the price will pump. It's better to just wait, because obviously this is just not the right time, because even if I wait to enter in a long position after this zone breakout right here, look, this is a whole zone right here, and if the price of Bitcoin does a breakout of it and then a retest, still entering here at a long position is not good, because even if I enter long here, the next resistance will be this white zone right here, which is very near it. So I will not suggest entering in a long position. Yeah, it is a risky trade, but let's see what happens in the future. Maybe some kind of a strong setup forms and I'm more bullish on Bitcoin than now, and then maybe I will enter. So do follow me on my Twitter for my trade updates. But right now, according to me, it is not the right time to enter in a long or short, because the price of Bitcoin is still in a sideways channel only. Because if you zoom out, you can clearly see it is in a sideways channel, and the best time to enter in a long and a short position is always at this or this level. That means whenever you want to enter in a long or a short position, the best time is always when the price is in a sideways or a zigzag trend. You have to make sure you enter at a support level so that you can go long, or at a resistance level so that you can go short, according to your strategies and according to your setups also. Not just blindly going long and short, but this is what the main trading setup looks like on a sideways channel. And currently, if you will notice, price is in a sideways channel and in a middle of nowhere. So I will recommend not to enter. Let's wait for the price either to again dump towards the downside, or maybe complete its next target, which I already told you is at around $69,000 and $70,000. Also a quick trade on XRP Ripple. I hope you all remember that we took one trade here on XRP, this one trade right here, that ended up in very major and good profits. So currently the price of Ripple, as I already told you in my previous videos, first of all, if I zoom out the chart, you will see that this important support trend line right here, orange zone, this is a very important support zone for the price of Ripple. And also look at this green zone right here. This is a very important green support zone from $0.47 to $0.54, and Ripple is currently made a support from it here. If I move to the weekly chart, then you will understand it. So right now you can clearly see the price of Ripple has made a approximate support from this price only exactly, and it did a breakout. Obviously it did a breakout, but I will not enter right now. I am bullish on Ripple according to the price action, but I will wait for my setup to form, and my setup is simple. It made a support from here, it did a breakout of my zone, it did a breakout of my this green zone, but I will enter when the price again come towards the downside for a rejection right here. So if the price of Ripple again comes towards the downside at this level right here at approx $0.5 for a retest, or maybe somewhat over here at approx $0.49, then I will definitely go long on Ripple, because it will be a breakout plus retest and then continuation scenario, and that's how I trade. And yeah, this is my discipline and my rule that I follow. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand each and everything that I'm trying to say. Do watch it 2 to 3 times, because obviously the beginners watching this video won't understand these terms and the price action easily. So it's better to watch it 2 to 3 times repeatedly to make sure what I'm trying to say and learn from it as well. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and learned something from it. And if you want to trade Bitcoin or Ripple or any other crypto, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. You can create an account for free and can get some deposit bonus as well. So yeah, this is it. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching.